Welcome to Easy Electra. This is the third video in our TA portal tutorial series. In the last video, we learned how to create a project and set up the PLC. Now, let's dive into basic programming in TA portal. First, open the main program block. This is where we create our rung. We'll start by adding a normally open no contact, a normally closed NC contact, and an output coil. Next, let's add a latch. If you're not familiar with latching, we've already made a video on this topic. You can watch it by clicking the I button or find the link in the description. Let's assign tags to our PLC elements. For the first no contact, we'll use E0. You can also tag it directly from the PLC tag table. Open the default tag table and assign names. For example, E0 a start, K0 a motor NC, contacto stop latch a motor latch. Oh, I forgot to rename E0 earlier. No problem, just go back to the default tag table and rename it to start. Now, compile the project, click Start Simulation. This will automatically open the PLC simulator. You'll see the PLC interface opening. You can also start the PLC manually from here. A connection pop-up will appear. Click Connect, load the PLC and start the module. Next, open PLCSIM and go to simulation mode. Add a simulation table and go to Tags. Start monitoring and change the start button from false to true. You'll see the motor output change when the stop button is pressed. That's it for this video. In the next tutorial, we'll cover more advanced topics. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to Easy Electra. See you in the next one.